Who doesn't like options? Options at the buffet table make a great dinner, but options in financial markets, that's where real expertise and experience are essential. At Harvest, option strategies are at the heart of our investment approach to generate income for investors in our ETFs. The standard covered call strategy involves selling calls on a portion of a fund's holdings. In doing so, the aim is to maximize the premiums received while minimizing the likelihood of getting called away. The investor may therefore benefit from both price appreciation and income generation. This brings us to the option wheel, a dynamic strategy that sells both written puts and calls to generate yield. Suppose volatility is low and stocks are trading flat. In this case, selling roughly equivalent amounts of calls and puts generates yield. If the stock declines without going in the money on the put, then the fund is essentially collecting money while waiting for a cheaper entry point on the stock. But what happens when the markets move? In a rally, the portfolio manager can sell both calls and puts to raise income in the fund. If a portion of the fund's holdings get called away, then proceeds from the call assignment help support the sale of new put options. In a sell-off, puts may go in the money, and the stocks received from a potential put assignment help support the sale of new covered call options to generate income. In the best case scenario, an ETF utilizing the wheel strategy benefits from 1. The use of high-quality stocks to generate attractive option premiums, and 2. The ability to enter stocks at low prices and exit at higher prices. This helps generate income while also managing risk in volatile markets.